Pompeii, the year 79 AD. At this exact moment, the city is still alive. The streets are full, the markets are open, the port is active, and Vesuvius remains silent, as if it had never been a threat. In this video, I use modern artificial intelligence tools to reconstruct Pompeii hours before it disappears, allowing us to walk through its streets, change angles, and observe the city from perspectives no inhabitant could see. We are not looking at ruins. We are entering a city that does not yet know it is about to die. Every building, every corner, and every sound is part of one last normal day. Join me as we walk through Pompeii on its final dawn, when everything is still functioning and nothing seems out of place, even though time has already stopped without anyone noticing.
Pompeii sits by the Gulf of Naples, connected to the sea and protected by walls that clearly define its urban perimeter. In the year 79, it is a prosperous city, integrated into the trade networks of the Roman Empire. Its streets follow an irregular grid adapted to the terrain, with raised stone pavements and sidewalks that allow crossing when rain turns the street into a channel. Houses are organized inward, protecting private life from external noise. From the Forum to the residential neighborhoods, the city shows a clear spatial hierarchy. Everything is designed to function on a human scale. Pompeii is not monumental like Rome, but it is efficient, dense, and comfortable, a city designed to be lived in intensively every day.
In the hours leading up to the eruption, the city is in full motion. Merchants open their taverns, ovens already release the smell of freshly baked bread, and carts leave deep marks on the stones of the streets. The inhabitants move on foot, constantly crossing paths in narrow and familiar spaces. Public fountains provide a continuous supply of water thanks to the aqueducts, and the baths start to fill as the day progresses. Nothing suggests urgency. The sounds are the usual ones: conversations, footsteps, animals, metal, and wood. Pompeii operates as it has for generations. It is precisely this normality that makes this moment so unsettling when we know what is about to happen.
The Forum is the absolute center of public life. Here, politics, religion, and commerce converge. Temples, basilicas, and administrative buildings surround an open square where citizens gather, conduct business, and observe. On this day, the Forum follows its usual routine. Priests enter and exit the temples, officials handle local matters, and merchants take advantage of the steady flow of people. From this vantage point, the city feels organized and stable. Painted facades, columns, and stone pavements reflect a city proud of its Roman identity. No one imagines that this space, built to last for centuries, will be buried under meters of ash within hours.
Beyond the main streets, the domus reveal another Pompeii. The houses are organized around atriums and inner courtyards, decorated with vibrant frescoes and detailed mosaics. These images are not just ornamental. They depict mythology, nature, and everyday scenes that reflect the values of their inhabitants. Private life unfolds protected from the outside, with spaces designed for light, air, and silence. At this moment, families are preparing for the day. Slaves are performing domestic tasks, and doors open and close as normal. Everything is in its place. These houses will not be abandoned. They will be frozen in time, preserving gestures and objects exactly as they were.
Religion and leisure are part of the daily rhythm. Temples receive offerings, while the baths function as social centers as well as hygienic spaces. Here, people converse, negotiate, and observe. Steam fills the rooms, and water circulates constantly. Pompeii relies on advanced infrastructure that still operates flawlessly. Rituals are repeated as usual, without any obvious omens. Although some inhabitants have noticed small tremors in previous days, the city is accustomed to them. Mount Vesuvius is seen as part of the landscape, not as a threat. This absolute confidence in the stability of the environment is what makes this day the last day.
As the hours pass, the city goes about its course. No one evacuates, no one flees. The sky is still clear, and the mountain remains unmoving. Pompeii does not fall. It is buried without any comprehensible warning. When the eruption begins, there is no time to react collectively. What we see here is the end of an active city, not an abandoned ruin. Every street we have walked will be filled with ash, every building sealed like a time capsule. This reconstruction allows us to understand that Pompeii did not die slowly. It was frozen in a precise moment, preserving an entire Roman city like no other place in the world.
Today, we walk over the ruins of Pompeii without thinking that it was once so alive. This city did not disappear due to decay or abandonment, but because of an event that abruptly stopped its history. Through this reconstruction, we can only get close to what that last day was like. If there is another lost city, another historical moment, or a vanished place that you would like to see reconstructed in this way, leave it in the comments. This series continues exploring cities that no longer exist, but that can still be visited, at least for a few more minutes. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the past.